Enjoy seeing this vlog with my friend having lunch and a walk around Elizabeth Park. Remember to take time and enjoy little things in life. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great in this amazing Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. My friend and we're going to do a picnic. Jasper, don't touch the ham now, okay? We're gonna go out for a picnic, and this is what I prepare. Something is easy, quick, and it's free. So what I want y'all to do is that enjoy yourself a Saturday, whichever day that you want to make a quick picnic for yourself, meet time, or with your family, or with a girlfriend or a boyfriend, whichever thing it is. Just do something simple. I have some roll-up ham, chicken, and cheese there. I have some cherries. I have some cheese, 2 bottles of wine, and my Coke, and some water. So something easy just for afternoon lunch, quick and fast. So go out there, be bold, be beautiful, and enjoy whichever day you choose to do a picnic. So I'm gonna go right now, close that up, and meet my friend at the park. Let's say hi to Jasper. Hi, Jasper. Hello, you handsome Jasper. Okay, now, take care. Bye-bye. Aquí tenemos nuestro lonche. Mira para allá. Oh, Suki. Mira lo que abuela está comiendo ahí. Y mi amiga siempre me trae cositas. Eso es bueno. Mira para allá, mira para allá. ¿Quiere decir algo, abuela?
Hi, ¿cómo están?
Hola. So vamos a comer ahora. We're going to enjoy our lunch. Late breakfast for me and lunch for her. And the same thing for her. There we have a rabbit. Isn't she beauty? Okay, this is Elizabeth Park. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the flowers. And they're fixing our greenhouse to make it more beautiful. Okay. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the sky. Fluffy. Oh, we finished our lunch already. And now we are just for our food to come. Losing the calorie. There you go. Losing the calorie. It's a nice bed of flowers. It's dedicated to that person right there. And there's all the roses there. That's where they do weddings. In the greenhouse, we have some cactus right there. We have a Wilda admiring all the flowers. Beautiful. Look at that. Another part. We got a little bit wet from the sprinkler. My friend found that one and she said, what? What did you say, Wilda?
You and me.
Ah, so sweet. Look at that.
Hay dos, las velas dos.
And I agree. Wilda and Wanda. Friends forever. Hey. Mm.
A principio de mayo, principio de junio es que hay que venir, pues está repleto todo. Todos esos arcos están llenos de flores.
Otra vez la modelo, a Wilda.
Tanto con el pelo suelto.
Con el pelo suelto. ¡Huepa! I don't know the name of this in English. I know in Spanish. Wilda told me it's called what?
Martinete.
Martinete. But isn't that beautiful? We have this nice restaurant. It's called, I believe it's called The Pond, Pond. And we get some ice cream right there if you want to.
Like, you know, de pato.
Look at the ducks.
De pato, una chiquilla. Este cree que le van a echar comida.
You saw a turtle? ¿Dónde está la turtle?
Mira allá. ¿La ves?
Oh, okay.
Se hundió.
And we have some fishes there. I don't know if you could see them, but Aguila modelando otra vez en esta mariposa. Qué linda, mira para allá. Con diferentes colores. Thanks for watching the vlog. Remember that you are special, unique, and enough. Go out there, be bold, and do you. Bye-bye. Remember to subscribe, share, and hit the notification. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I'm here back again at Elizabeth Park, but this time I'm by myself, even though I miss my friend. But we're gonna see this other part of Elizabeth Park right there. The flowers are a little bit gone, but you still could enjoy the ones that are left over. And sometimes the ones that are leftovers are the best. Yes. Look at the rocks. So beautiful. When you just go out, look at the fluffy skies, the clouds, look at that. When you just go out and admire your background, what you have, the beauty, the simplicity of just being in nature and just admiring what God created and the help of other people that love landscaping. We have to give thanks to them too, because the man upstairs give them knowledge on how to plant these beautiful bushes and trees and everything that you see around yourself. I hope that you go out and just remember that life is so beautiful, that even though when you see things that are dead, they're not really dead. They just need some TLC, tender loving care. This little walkway. Look at those butterfly. Mama was with her kids. They are gonna put them in the, look at that. Beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Enjoy what life has to offer and take time for yourself. Remember, God loves you and love yourself because no one will love you more than you and God. Thank you.